Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a big question. Are smartphone cameras really replacing professional cameras in 2024? With all the rapid advancements in smartphone technology, it's becoming a hot topic in the photography world. Stick around as we explore why so many people, even professionals, are turning to smartphones for their photo and video needs. Number 1. Convenience and portability. The first and perhaps most obvious reason why smartphone cameras are replacing professional cameras in 2024 is convenience. Think about it. Everyone carries a smartphone with them all the time. Whether you're on your daily commute, traveling to a new city, or just hanging out with friends, your smartphone is always within arm's reach. This portability is one of the major factors that have contributed to the rise of smartphone photography. With professional cameras, you need to carry multiple lenses, a camera bag, and other accessories like tripods or stabilizers. It's not always practical to lug all that gear around, especially for casual or spur-of-the-moment shots. Smartphones, on the other hand, fit right in your pocket and are ready to shoot in seconds. This ease of use makes them a go-to choice for people who want to capture life's moments quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Advanced camera technology in smartphones. In 2024, smartphone camera technology has reached levels that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Smartphones are now equipped with multiple lenses, including wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto options, offering versatility that professional cameras once had a monopoly on. Not to mention the AI enhancements that allow these devices to automatically adjust settings like exposure, focus, and white balance, making it easy for anyone to take a professional-looking photo. Many flagship smartphones now come with sensors that rival those found in professional cameras. For example, some devices are now equipped with 1-inch sensors and 48 to 108 megapixel cameras that deliver incredibly detailed images. Additionally, smartphone manufacturers are improving low-light performance, which was once a weak spot for phone cameras. With features like night mode and AI-based image processing, smartphones can now capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 3. Computational photography. Another game-changing feature that's allowing smartphones to replace professional cameras is computational photography. Professional cameras rely on the skill of the photographer to adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture to get the perfect shot. In contrast, smartphones use advanced algorithms to improve images automatically, regardless of the photographer's skill level. For example, features like HDR, high dynamic range, take multiple exposures and blend them into one image to create the perfect balance between highlights and shadows. Other features like portrait mode use machine learning to detect edges and create a stunning background blur bokeh effect that's comparable to what you get with a professional camera and a large aperture lens. Smartphones also use AI to enhance colors, sharpen images, and reduce noise in real time, producing photos that often require little to no post-processing. This makes smartphone cameras much more accessible to the average user, while professional cameras often require more time and effort in editing to achieve similar results. Number 4. Video capabilities. It's not just about photos anymore. Smartphones are also excelling when it comes to video. Many flagship models can now shoot in 4K and even 8K resolution, making them powerful tools for content creators, filmmakers, and vloggers. Smartphones also offer frame rate flexibility, allowing users to shoot slow-motion videos at high frame rates or cinematic footage at 24 frames per second, just like you would with a professional camera. Another feature that has brought smartphones closer to professional cameras is image stabilization. New smartphones come equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, and electronic image stabilization, EIS, which make handheld video much smoother. Some even offer gimbal-like stabilization, which was previously only possible with additional gear. This means you can now create high-quality, shake-free videos directly from your smartphone without needing bulky equipment. Number 5. Editing and sharing on the go. One of the key reasons smartphone cameras are replacing professional cameras in 2024 is the ability to edit and share your content instantly. With a professional camera, you often have to transfer the images to your computer, use editing software like Photoshop or Lightroom, and then share the final version. This process takes time and requires technical skills. On the other hand, with a smartphone, you can take a photo, apply filters, adjust settings, and share it across social media platforms within minutes. Many smartphones come with powerful built-in editing tools, while others have access to apps like VSCO, Snapseed, and Adobe Lightroom Mobile, giving users the ability to make professional-grade edits on the fly. This instant editing and sharing ability is especially valuable for content creators, influencers, and social media marketers who need to post content quickly to keep up with trends or audience engagement. The convenience of having an all-in-one tool for capturing, editing, and sharing is a game-changer in today's fast-paced digital world. Number 6. Affordability. Let's face it, professional cameras are expensive. A high-end DSLR or mirrorless camera can cost thousands of dollars, not to mention the cost of lenses, memory cards, and other accessories. In contrast, a flagship smartphone that doubles as your daily communication device and entertainment hub comes at a much more reasonable price. As smartphone camera technology continues to improve, many people are asking themselves, why spend thousands on a professional camera when I can get nearly the same quality from my smartphone? The gap in image and video quality between smartphones and professional cameras is narrowing, making smartphones a more affordable option for both amateurs and professionals alike. Number 7. The rise of mobile content creation. Another major reason smartphones are taking over the professional camera space in 2024 is the rise of mobile content creation. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are dominated by content created and edited on smartphones. In fact, many influencers and content creators rely solely on their smartphones to produce videos, photos, and stories for their audiences. The ability to quickly shoot, edit, and post content directly from your phone makes the creative process much more efficient. Smartphones also allow for live streaming with ease, something that professional cameras can do but usually require more setup. This makes the smartphones the perfect tool for those looking to engage with their audience in real time. Number 8. Professional camera features in smartphones. As if all that wasn't enough, smartphone manufacturers are continuing to incorporate features typically found in professional cameras. In 2024, we're seeing more smartphones with manual camera controls that allow users to adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture just like they would on a DSLR. This gives photographers more creative control, allowing them to experiment with different settings for their shots. Additionally, raw image support is becoming more common in smartphones. Raw files capture all the image data without compression, allowing for more flexibility in post-processing. This is something professional photographers have long relied on, and now it's available on smartphones, giving users the ability to produce even higher quality images. Number 9. Integration with the ecosystem. Smartphones are part of a broader ecosystem that includes cloud storage, software updates, and seamless connectivity with other devices like laptops and tablets. When you take a photo or video on your smartphone, it's automatically synced with the cloud, making it easy to access and edit across multiple devices. This integration is something professional cameras lack, as they often require manual transfers and do not connect as smoothly to other devices. This seamless integration makes smartphones much more appealing, especially for people who want to streamline their workflow and keep everything in one place. Number 10. Professional use of smartphones. Finally, at number 10, we're seeing more professionals using smartphones in place of traditional cameras. Some photographers and videographers are even shooting entire projects, from commercials to short films, using nothing but their smartphones. Why? Because smartphones offer portability, ease of use, and advanced features that rival professional cameras. With the ability to shoot in high resolution, control manual settings, and edit on the go, smartphones are becoming a legitimate option for professionals who want to work more flexibly without sacrificing quality. So there you have it. Those are the top reasons why smartphone cameras are replacing professional cameras in 2024. With advances in technology, convenience, affordability, and features that once only belonged to professional equipment, smartphones are becoming the go-to choice for photographers and videographers of all levels. What do you think? Will you still invest in a professional camera, or is your smartphone all you need? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching.